What up, tube? Today is Wednesday, June 6th. Normally my day off, guys, again, but you know, I just got back from vacation and I don't feel like sitting at home and doing nothing. Plus, graduations are happening around our hoods right here. So, man, yesterday was like a Saturday at the shop. So it was a good thing that I went in and helped out the guys yesterday. I had a lot of people that were asking for me over the weekend, so they were waiting on me. So I made sure I take care of all of them, and you know, just providing good customer service, guys. That's what this business is all about, you know. And so today I'm going in again. The reason being is because I'm anticipating it being very, very busy. The reason being is because we got graduations and promotions around here. Graduations are happening today all week long from all the several high schools around here. In my area alone, there's probably 25 high schools. So there's high schools happening everywhere. Graduations happening everywhere. So you consider every high school has a graduation. Every junior high has a promotion, guys. So those are all the kids that need to get hooked up this weekend. So I anticipate a very, very busy weekend again. I'm still short-handed. We've been flying with 4 barbers, 5 barbers. So I got 2 empty chairs on my shop. Can't seem to find anybody that wants to work, guys. I get a bunch of guys that are students that want to come in and work, but I can't find any barbers that want to work. But I'm gonna keep looking, and hopefully I'll find that right guy, you know. They have to fit in at my shop, guys. I don't just take anybody. They have to vibe with my crowd and vibe with my people and vibe with my other barbers, because that's very important. Chemistry is very important in a barbershop. Okay, guys, I'm gonna get inside, get some donuts, and I'm gonna head to the shop right now. We'll get into this day. Grind on. Check out my new hat. Bad, huh? So I got back from vacation, and it turned out to be a really good vacation, guys. I mean, can't complain. My family was very pleased. I was very pleased. It was, you know, I want to say it was real relaxful, but it's not really relaxful because I'm always working and doing something while I'm there, setting up spots and stuff like that. Getting up early. We went to play golf. I mean, I did relax as far as I didn't stay up late every day because I really didn't party too much down there. It was nice. It was nice. But you know, the best part about it, guys, is I came back and my crew held it down for me. Even though we're short-handed right now, they stepped it up, and you know, they did a great job. And that's important for me because, you know, sometimes when I leave, it's stressful, guys. I mean, I worry about what's going on over here. So this time I did a little something different, and I actually closed my shop on Monday, which I normally don't like doing. But you know, it was better for the better, and I did try boys out by trying to get them to work on those days, because you know, my good barber Alex, he held it down for me, and he worked 6 days that week. So you know, it's a lot to ask to work 7 days, but you know, they held it down, and I'm extremely happy with my crew. And I know sometimes they watch my vlogs, and I want to just thank them on here and tell you guys held down for me, and I appreciate that. But with that being said, guys, I'm gonna get some lunch, and I'm gonna go get some tacos and get back to work, guys. It's real busy today. Graduations, promotions are happening all over the valley over here. So right now we've been extremely busy. It was a good thing that I went to work again. So right now I'm gonna work 7 days straight, and I won't be off till next Tuesday. So I'm gonna be vlogging for you guys, posting up haircuts. I need some questions, guys. Let me hear what you guys want to know about, what you guys want to do. I want to later on too, I want to discuss that, you know, it's kind of cool. One of my barbers, Alex, when I just finished talking to you, I call him my youngster barber because he's young, you know. He's only 21 years old, you know. He's been working for me for 4 years already, guys. So imagine he came to me right out of high school. But yesterday he was you know, he picked up on a little tip, and you know, figured out a little tip on how to cut a corner and doing fades, and you know, I gotta say, man, it's a pretty good tip. I've been using it all day today, and it kind of cuts 2 to 3 steps out of my fades, you know. You know, who doesn't want to get faster, you know? But it was funny because he was telling me yesterday about when he first came to work for me, and I had told him something, and I remember telling him this too, and I remember telling him this because somebody told me this, you know, and it's just knowledge is passed on from barber to barber, and it's helping somebody get better and get faster and get good, you know. But I told him, I remember telling him when he first started working, was telling him, like, there's many ways of fading. There's many ways of doing a haircut the right way. You know, and it's just finding it the easiest, fastest way for you to do it, so that you can get it done faster. You know what I mean? That's what the name of the game is getting that haircut done the fastest, cleanest way. You know, and as you get better and as you get, you know, more seasoned, you're gonna pick up a lot of tips, and you're gonna take tips from everybody. I took tips from this person, take tips from that person, and eventually you develop your own way of fading. You know, and it's good to see that, you know, he's my apprentice. Now he's a barber, but he was my apprentice, and it's good to see that youngster come back to me and tell me that, show me something, you know. And me, I'm an old cat, but I'm always down to learn. I'm always down to get better, and I'm always down to improve my skill. So, you know, later on I'm gonna probably share that little skill with you, but I just want to bring that up right now. But I'm gonna get in here and take care of this, and then we're gonna go back to work. Since I was on vacay, the end of the day today, but since I was on vacay, now I gotta stick around and clean up day. The life of a boss. Gotta get done, guys. This is what it's all about. You want to shop, you gotta clean it, or somebody's gotta clean it. Since I ain't got nobody to clean it, I gotta clean it. Yeah, it's already almost gonna be 8 o'clock. It was a super busy day again today, guys. Stuck here at the shop, just got done cleaning. Shop was filthy. I hadn't done my cleaning for this week. I ended up working my Tuesday and Wednesday days off because, of course, I was off last week. But the worst part about all this is that right now I just realized that today is mine and my lady's anniversary, 5-year anniversary, and kind of forgot all about it. I haven't even texted. I barely text her right now. It's already going to be almost 8 o'clock, and you know, it just, I get caught up with everything. I don't. We're not married yet. Me and my girl are engaged. We are going to be married next year, October next year. So right now we are planning the stages of planning a wedding. So it's just a lot going on, and yeah, I almost forgot. But baby, I know you watch my vlogs. I love you so much, and I'm glad you're going to be my wife. And I almost forgot. I think I almost forgot. I didn't almost forget, baby. I love you, baby. Soon we're gonna be my wife. All right, guys. Back to business. That's for my girl. Today was a good day. Exceptional day again. 2 exceptional days off, basically, of working. So tomorrow's Thursday. Tomorrow's my regular first day. So I'm gonna come to work. If it's slow, I'm probably gonna take off and go handle some business. I gotta get my truck washed. Coming back from the river, my truck's disgustingly dirty, so I need to go get that taken care of. But I'm gonna come by here and see how it is, and if it's busy, then I'll handle business. You know, it's what it's all about, guys. That being said, see you guys mañana.